In this exhibit, there are two rods covered with wire in between the poles of magnets inside the motor. So basically, any magnet that is closest to one of these two wired rods gives a magnetic field which pushes against the wires on the rod, which gets the motor running. So here we have the stripped down motor, and they're actually moving the wires, the motor, and they're trying to see which place of the magnet is closest to the wires. So now it's moving, so it's spinning. It generates an electric field on the wires.